Yeah, so this is the video for showing how we can connect the OneFit Plus app with the M1 spin bike. First, we are going to show you the very normal procedure to connect it. So as you can see, the app is opened in front of us. Okay, so I'll just start slightly pedaling the bike in order to gain the enable the Bluetooth system of the spin bike. So as you can see, a green light has automatically started blinking as I have started pedaling the bike. Okay, so now what we'll do is just click on the spin bike option. As you can see, here is the spin bike option. We'll click on it. It will search for any Bluetooth devices available. So there is it is this is the name for the M1 spin bike we are trying to connect. Okay, just click on the name and the bike will get connected. It takes a little time to show you the speed, distance and calorie updation. Yeah, as you see, the timer started and everything is now updating properly. Okay, so now as it is connected, we have showed you the normal procedure. We'll stop it. So now we will try to show you by recreating a scenario where the normal pedaling process does not work and you did not get the connectivity. As you can see, I am continuously pedaling the spin bike. Okay, now we'll just click on the spin bike option as we did earlier. It's searching for the BLE devices surrounding. Oh, it showed no device found. That means it's not able to search your spin bike. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll check that while pedaling the green light is blinking or not. So as you people can see that the green light is not blinking. Okay, so what we can do in such a way is we'll just remove the battery once. Okay, this is the battery. We'll clean it just a little by any fabric, cloth or something like that, and we'll replace it again. So as you can see, as I replaced the battery, the light again started blinking. Okay, so now if I'll refresh it, you should get the name of the bike. As you can see, we got the name. I'll click on it. And we got connected. So everything is working fine and updating properly. Okay, we'll stop it. So one of the process is also there which we can try if the connectivity does not work is we will try to clean the app complete data of this application, and we'll launch it once again to see if the connection is working or not. Okay, so we'll just do it here. We'll go to the OneFit Plus app. Long press on this, we'll get the option as app info. Click on app info. It shows you the storage usage, like storage permissions and all. You'll go into that, and it will ask you two options. That one is the clear cache. Cache is the unwanted data of the application, and the other one is the clear data, the complete data. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just try the clearing the complete data. Okay, as you can see, all the data has been completely vanished. We'll go back. Now we'll again launch the app. It showed you the very first page when we logged in the app first. Okay, get started, add in your email ID and password and sign in. Now we'll again do the same normal connectivity procedure. We'll pedal up the bike and we'll click on the spin bike option. It will again ask you for the location and Bluetooth if both are like disabled. So as you can see, we got the name. We'll click on it and get connected. So this is the only troubleshoot. If in case after this also the connectivity does not work and you do not get any name on the search list, so that means the Bluetooth chip of the spin bike has a major connectivity issue and it needs to be replaced.